Well, if you're a fan of summer weather, this is your forecast. Hello, I'm 29 First Alert meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. That is the next big thing I'm tracking for the Weather Center is going to be an extended heat wave, and it begins today. The heat index, the feels like temperature this afternoon area-wide will be in the low and mid 90s. And if you think that's hot, wait till you see the extended forecast. Until then, here's your Monday first forecast. Temperatures coming on up through the 70s and 80s this morning. A few clouds. They may billow on up into an isolated shower or thunderstorm, especially near and west of the Blue Ridge and into the valley and the Allegheny Highlands. I think Central Virginia, for the most part, will stay rain-free, but even where they do form, any storm will be very isolated and really won't move very much at all. So daytime highs, low 90s across Central Virginia, but with the humidity, it will feel a bit hotter for sure, and also a high sunburn index this time of the year. Dry scans right now on 29 First Alert Doppler radar. High pressure is going to park itself over our region, and with high pressure as it moves off the eastern seaboard, that's a southwest wind flow, and that's going to pump in these very high dew points and the relative humidity. And there have been some spotty storms across western North Carolina over the higher elevations, and that's pointed in our direction. So that's why I can't completely rule out a couple of rogue showers or thunderstorms. That's exactly what our rapid refresh high res weather tracker is showing. Afternoon, early evening hours, we get the difference in heating from the valley floor and mountaintops, and that will sponsor a couple of splash and dash showers and thunderstorms. Really, though, there's no organized weather systems or fronts in the next several days. Maybe a week from now, there could be a weak front that passes by, but I'm not expecting any widespread showers or thunderstorms for the next 7 to 10 days, and this heat wave will last for at least 7 to 10 days. Daytime highs across Central Virginia will peak in the weekend. Highs in the shade, upper 90s this weekend, and that will make it feel even hotter with the heat index. The heat index may exceed 100 and 105 degrees for the weekend ahead. Until then, here's your Monday forecast. Hazy, hot, and humid. There could be an isolated storm chance, especially near and west of the Blue Ridge. Upper 80s for the valley, low 90s across Central Virginia. For tonight, it'll be mild and muggy, lows in the lower 70s for most of you. Forecast on Tuesday, mostly in the upper 80s and low 90s, a bit more hot with the heat index under a mainly sunny sky. 7-day forecast, extended heat wave in the 90s by day, 60s and 70s overnight, and the weekend the heat wave will peak with heat indices feeling greater than 100 degrees.